This is the easiest way to redeem an Apple gift card. Find the App Store icon on your phone, tap and hold on it. In this menu here, you're going to find an option called Redeem. Tap on that. Then you can use the phone's camera or enter the code manually. Tap on Use Camera. Slide the card behind it. There's going to be a barcode on the card, and I'll just scan that. If for whatever reason it doesn't scan it, tap down here, and you can type in the number on the barcode manually. It'll likely be a number. You start typing it in, tap on Redeem, and then that credit, the amount on the gift card, is going to be shown in your app, in your App Store app when you access the App Store, and you can spend that money however you like in the App Store. And if you want to have your apps be without ads, there's a free way to do that. This video shows you how. It blocks all ads on your iPhone. It's pretty slick and it's free. So check that out next. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.